Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI School, and our mission today to complete lesson 6-5, linear inequalities, and we explained this part, but I like to repeat it actually. Okay, write a linear inequality that represent each graph. So he gave me the graph and he asked me, what is the linear equation? As I said before, you start with y. Okay, and you see the highlight here, it is to the right or up or down. Actually it is to the right or up, so clearly it is greater. So if it is right, so greater, right or up, it is a greater, and this is the sign of the greater. The fish will eat the y. Okay, greater. And as you see, you have a solid line. Okay, solid line, that means there exists inequality sign. Okay, now the second part, or the right part, we finish from this part and we finish from this, and now we need the other part, or the last part, which is here, and it is consistent from the y-intercept, which is clearly what is the point, okay, the intersecting point between, or where the line cross the y, where the line cross the y-axis. By the way, if you don't know, this is the y-axis. Okay, so where the line hit the y-axis, clearly it is here. So count 1, 2, it is 3. So I have positive 3 here. Till now is clear? Good. Now I have to find one missing part, is relating with the x. I write the x all of time, and this x has a coefficient. I have to figure out what is the coefficient which represents the slope of this line. The slope of this line, and I know the slope of this line, it is rise over run. Raise, not rise, it is rise over run. So I will write what? A sign of the fraction, my dear students. See? Okay, now I have 2 points, 2 nice points. This is the first nice point and this is the second nice point. I will move from the y-intercept, which is this one, okay, to this point. Okay, rise over run, you have to move vertically. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Clearly you move down, so it is negative. Negative, how many steps you move down? 3. And then you move to the right 1 step to reach here. So you move from here like this and this. So clearly, my dear student, see, 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the right, and we done. So negative 3 over 1, it is negative 3. Yes, you know that. But teacher, if I keep it like this, doesn't matter, it is okay, you're done. Okay, let us move to the 33. If you want it, I will keep it, but I like to clean step by step. Okay, now here, as you see, we start with y. And as you see, this is the line. Okay, and it is the highlighted, it is here. It is up or down? It is up. Okay, it is up. Okay, so it is greater. It is greater. So I will draw the greater sign. And see, it is dash, not solid. Okay, because it's dash, there is no inequality sign, so I will keep it like this. Okay, I will keep it without inequality sign. You know the inequality sign, you remember the shakhta. There is no shakhta because it is dash. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now the easy part. I'm done from this part now, and I'm done from this part, and now I move to the right side part here, which consists of the y-intercept. Y-intercept again, where the line hit the y-axis clearly here. Yes, you see here, it's hit here. What this point, my dear student? Go down 1, 2, 3, but it is -3. You are gorgeous, my dear students. Now I write x all of time x like this. Yes, but you have to draw the sign of the fraction, and you know it is rise over run. Now let us bring the rise over run. Now, my dear students, you have to find out two nice points, and I explained before what is the two nice point. This is one, the y-intercept, and actually this is the next one. Okay, this is the next point. How I can reach it? Rise. How many steps I have to rise? See, 1, 2, 3. 3 up, that's mean positive, and 2 right, that's mean positive. Okay, so it is 3 over 2x -3. Okay, are you happy? I hope so. Now the last part here. Okay, the last part here, I have a vertical dash or line or dashes. Yes, you see, it is a vertical dash, and it is clearly hit the x-axis. Hit the x-axis. If you see like this, directly start with x and take breath. After that, okay, the highlight, left or right? Okay, it is at the left side clearly. Yes, left side, so less, and it is dash, no equal sign. I keep it like this. Now what is the number? See, 1, 2, 3. We done. If you have like this one, I will give you example from my. If you have like this one, for example, suppose this is 3 and he draw like this. Okay, let me make it better than this. Okay, doesn't matter, and highlight it like this, and he asks you what is the inequality. Directly, because it hit the y-axis, so it is y. Okay, it is up, greater, it is the solid line or equal. What is the number here? 3. We done. It is easy. Yes, so this is easy examples. Okay, let us move to the next. Fast, not this but this. Yes, see, I will start from 22. I will draw 22, this one. So I will draw this x, the y coordinate. It is x, so I have to move here. It is 4, I have to skip by 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. I draw my line, vertical line actually, and I will read it correctly. X less than or equal I already write. Sorry. Okay, equal I already draw, sorry, a solid line, not dashes. not like this, because there are equal sign. Okay, now where is the area? X less, so X, the shaded area will lift, less the shaded area will be at the left. We done. Now 23, we are here. Again, I draw like this. Easy, yes? And because it is Y, I color the Y. Okay, Y, this is the Y-axis. Just to refer, this is Y-axis, okay? So we have to move here. I mean, we have to move here, okay? Don't confuse. So because Y, I have to move here, yes? It is -1, so it is down. Here is the -1. Then I will draw a, a solid because it is equal shachta, you know the shachta or the equal sign. Okay, and do like this one, and read it again. Y is greater. Greater means up or right, so it is up. I don't have right here, so I will color the upper area. So the solution will be like this. Okay, the last one here, 24. Okay, I will do it here, see, and you will answer me now. Okay, it is X, that means I have to move here. It is -2, it is here, yes, so I will draw like this, like this one, but there is no equal sign, so I will draw like this, a vertical line but dashes, yes. Now I have to determine which area, right or left. X, read it with me. X greater than, greater mean to the right here, okay, to the right. Are you happy? I hope so. Let's move to 20x. Okay, I did everything before to reach to 26 and 27 and 28, my dear student. Wake up and stay with me. Here, it is different little bit. You need to do one more step. What that step? This is the left side and this is the right side, yes? Okay, let me rewrite it. It is -2x plus y is greater than or equal 3. I determine the left side and the right side. I have to make the y alone and heavy to start graphing. I cannot start graphing while this equation in this form, okay? I have to do something. So how I can make the y alone and heavy? Exactly, I have to move it or throw it to the next side with changing what, my dear student? Yes, you have to change the sign. It will be positive. See, the y alone and happy. Teacher, there are plus. Yes, it is okay. Erase it if you want. Now I can graph it. Okay. Now, what is the y-intercept? Here it is. It is 3. And it will hit this y, the y-axis. Where is the 3? Count. 1. Let me do the grid. Next. 2 and 3. So it will hit the y-axis here because it is the y-intercept. Remember that. Y-inter, not Milan. Okay, intercept. Okay, it is not Inter Milan, it is intercept, my dear student. I'm done from this part. Now I move to the slope or the coefficient of x, which is the 2, and I know any whole number it is over 1. So I will rise 2 and move to the right 1. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So rise 2, move to the right 1. 1, 2 and 1 to the right. So this is the next. Okay, and I will move down 1. Let me change the color. Now I will move down 1, 2 and 1 to the left, so it will be, I think, here. Yes, it is good. Now you have equal sign, so I will connect the 3 points here by solid line, and I come back to the equation and I will read it correctly. Y greater than, the fish will eat the y greater than whatever here. Okay, so y greater than, where is the upper side of this line? Clearly it is here. Yes, this is the upper. Okay. Okay, now let us check by using 0 0. The 0 0 is here. If the 0 0 is the solution, our solution is incorrect. It is wrong. But if the 0 0 is not the solution, our solution is correct. So put 0 here. Is greater than or equal 3? Ask me, is, because here 2 multiply 0 is 0, okay? Is 0 greater than or equal to 3? No. So the 0 0 is not the solution, so the opposite area here, it is the solution. It is extra information. Doesn't matter. Okay, my dear student, one more example and your life will be beautiful, believe me. Now 27, it is x plus 3y less than 15. As the teacher said, the y must be alone and happy to graph. So I will take this guy to the other side and opposite its sign. Okay, so it will be negative. Great. And no need for the plus here. Then I have to divide by 3 all the terms. Okay, now if I divide by 3, this will be eliminated, the y coming alone, and I know 15 divided by 3, it is equal, great, it is 5, and negative 1 over 3, it is keep it like it, keep it without change, so negative 1 over 3 x. Now let us draw it. Now you see the y alone and happy. Yes, you can graph. So what is the difference between the first video and the second video? The first video, he give you the y alone and happy and you directly graph, but here you have to do to make the y alone and happy, then you can graph. As you see, the y is 5. That means it will hit the y-axis in 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So here, this is the intersecting point. Now here I will rise. Now I have to move down 1 and then move to the right 3. Let's go. 1, I will move 1 with other color, 1 down, 1 2 3 to the right, again 1 down, and 1 2 3 to the right. Okay, now we have to connect between them. Be careful, we have equality sign? No. We have shakhta? No. So connect by dashes. That means there is no equal sign. Okay. Okay, now you have to know that before you read. This is the upper and this is the lower. Okay, my dear student, let's go. Can you read it for me, my dear student, please? Who can read it for me? Okay. Y is, this is greater or less? Clearly less than whatever. Less mean down, yes? So the area that represents the solution is down here. Okay, my dear student? And this is the 0 and the 0. Yes, you know that, yes? If you put it here, if you put it in the equation, you will find out it is one of the solutions. You don't believe me? Try. This is the 0 and 0. Replace it by y and the x. Yes, it is 0, 0, less than 5, negative 1 over 3 multiplied by x, which is 0. Yes, this give me 0. So I'll erase it and read it now. Read it like I read. Put is in the front here. Is 0 less than 5? Is 0 less than 5? Clearly, yes. So 0 and 0, it is one of the solution for this system. As you see, it is location in our area or shaded area. I hope you get all the benefit and I hope you get the high marks and successful life also. This is Muhammad Khair and goodbye and see you later, my see you later, my graduator. Yes, see you later, my graduator. Goodbye.